some food? Have some. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. It looked at me. Do you want some spray? You know COVID-19, right? Go that way, yeah. Yeah. Man, I am so good. I can talk to birds. Today was really fun, as you can see. Bella talking to the birds. Hello everyone, welcome back to Bella's Diary. Right now, I'm in the Bangpu Recreation Center. It's in Samut Province in Thailand. Guys, look over there. There's so much birds. We're gonna go take a look. Let's go. So I want to feed these little birdies. These are actually cracklings, but these seagulls, they eat like earthworms and plant items like seeds and fruits. But then I'm gonna try and feed them this. I don't know if they like it or not. And I got gloves for safety. And then let's go feed them. Hello? 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 This is sad. They'd be like, go away, I am busy flying. Oh! It actually eats from your hand. Its noise is so weird, lol. Birdies, come and eat. Eat. Hello? You wanna eat? Do you wanna eat? Does any of you want to eat? I paid 50 baht for this, so you have to eat. Yo. Someone help me. These birds are ignoring me. Hello? Hello? Oh, yeah! That guy did not ignore me. What's your name? Bro. Bro, eat. What the heck? Let's try again. Yeah, that one eats. These seagulls are really good at eating. Here, more. It eats. I'm so good. Let's throw it far away like that. 3, 2. None of it ate. Again. It ate. And again. 2 of it at the same time. Again. I want to give more from the hand, so we're going to do it again. This is addicting. Yo, it is! This is so fun. You have to try this. Yo, eat some. Bro, my eyes are dead. Come and eat your dinner. Oh, I don't even know what time it is, but okay. Dinner! Dinner is served. Right on my hand. Hello? Seagulls. Yay! Did you see that? Yes, you saw that. You have to see that. Keep an eye on these seagulls. Come on. Come on. Get your dinner. Come on. Oh, I'm totally okay. I'm totally okay. Hello? Hello from the outside. Statue of Liberty right here. Those area is the mangrove forest. Did you know that these seagulls, they evacuated from Siberia to Thailand so they can come into a warmer place, and especially here at Bangpu. These seagulls come to Bangpu for only 4 months, from November until February. On February, there will be more than 8,000 of these seagulls, and only 1 year has only one time that they will come like this. So I recommend if anyone wants to see these beautiful seagulls, you should come during these 4 months. These birds' wings are really strong. It can fly more than 1,000 kilometers to this place, and then it just floats on the water to rest, like ducks on the water. Look how pretty the sun is. It's so pretty. I love the sky color, look. Now we're just waiting for the sun to set so that we can take beautiful sunset pictures. At my bow. Yeah, and the wind is so strong as you can see. It's almost setting, the sun is almost setting. It's already almost covering the whole sun. As you can see, it's setting. I'm gonna get to take beautiful pictures soon. Man, it's singing. Go that way, yeah. Yeah. Man, I am so good. I can talk to birds. Wow. The sun is like, it's so warm now, the wind and stuff. From over there to there. There's so much friends there. Hi. Did you see? He was like, hi camera. Bye camera, I have some business to do. What's your business? Would you like to tell me? No? Okay. Well, oh! Bye. Hair. Bye bye. Why? I'm just trying to be nice. Aggressive birds. Whoa. Hey, I want to be your friends. And then I'll just fall into the water. My favorite color. Blue, yellow, orange. No, orange is not my favorite color, but it's pretty. Look. It looks pinkish. Oh. Okay, we get it. You can fly. We get it. Okay. No, none of the birds want to be friends with me. I'm sad. I'm nice. I give you snacks. Oh. It left me again. Man, they really like this spot. Here's some food. Have some. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. It looked at me. It looked at me like... I said bye-bye. I was like, bye-bye again. Bye. One more. It ate and then it just fell. One more. Oh. Have some. Here. Aww. Want some food? It did not eat. It fell on the floor. That bird was like, my food. It's gone. You stole it. I'm gonna go to the court. One more, okay? One more. Here. Have some food. Dude, there's food right here. It was like, I just saw food right here. Where did it go? In your mouth. So we have to give that guy one more. It's sad now. One more. Giant yen. And it fell. Okay. I have to ใจเย็นๆใช่ไหม explain that bird's thoughts, please? Because I think I know. It was like, food. Maybe I should go? No, yeah, eat and then go. So I think they're hungry. Very hungry. You should eat. You should eat. Yeah, you should eat. Boy, there's another one. You forgot another one. He's gone. He's gone. There's two of it. You only got one, bro. It's waste, 50 baht. One more. That was fast. I think this is their favorite place so far. One more. Whoa! I'm happy feeding these little birdies. Hi. One more? You want more? There's so much coming from that side. Look! So these are the last of it in the bag, and now I'm gonna throw and see which one catches it first. 3, 2, you can do this! That guy got it first, that guy. No, we don't. It's okay. Okay, no trophy. I'm so sorry. Do you want some spray? You know COVID-19, right? It says no, there's no such thing as COVID-19. Fine. You don't need the high quality spray. I don't even know if this is high quality, but okay. Hey, want some? No. It's looking at me. I can talk to birds. My new talent. Never mind. Oh. Sadly today we didn't see the beautiful golden lightning of the sun because the clouds are blocking it, if you can see. But today was really fun, as you can see. Bella talking to the birds. Okay, well, see ya friends. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to not miss any of my new videos. But for today, I'll go now. Bye! Say bye to the seagulls. Bye. Okay, bye.